got, I got my fender here. You got mirror?
Yes.
What? You have puppy? Where you get the puppy from?
And there's a big dog.
Okay, give me my part and you guys go have fun. Hi Humvee, how you doing? It's time for you to meet your new friend. Humvee, this is Fender. Fender, this is Humvee. Humvee, this is your passenger side seat. Passenger side seat, this is Humvee. From now and day on, you guys need to work together, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video I will be doing the install the fender on the Humvee. I can't wait until this time. Now it's time to install the fender. I cannot wait this Humvee to be completed. Alright, let's go install the fender. That deep frame that I built, not that bad, but I will come up a good idea later on. But for now, let's install the fender just for temporarily. It should be easy because I already figured it out. Keep this space open. Everything's open. Oh, hold on. Oh, I forgot. I have to clean up. Yeah, I forgot to clean up all this rivet pen, rivet pen down here. Also that too. So I forgot to clean up. Yeah, people trying to have their nice dinner, you know. And then I over here, and it makes lots of noise. And yeah, lots of noise. And people will complain about it. And I don't know who's gonna come. I'm making sure I am be careful. Not gonna wake up anybody or interrupt another people family dinner. Yeah. I have not made my dinner. I probably just eat whatever is in my refrigerator later on. Hey yo! And my dog keep playing. They eat. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna make any noise. I just use my fly. I just use my. Alright. This is time to install the fender on the Humvee. Shh! You make so much noise. My goodness. This fender, I told you guys, work together, okay? Don't make noise. Our neighbor trying to sleep. Oh my God. Don't be mad. Shh, don't get mad. Everybody work hard, okay? Not just you. All right. Don't be mad, please. She's mad. Okay. There is some more thing that I haven't done. Some more pin, uh, rivet pin over here. I don't know what they call it. I can't pronounce that. Rivet pin. All right, close enough. Push all that pin down too. All right, it's good now. It's time to install. Time to install. All right. Make sure it goes in the right way. Yo, calm down. Don't make noise. How many times I been say that to you guys? Just take it easy. Okay. Ooh. It start to look good already. I'm so happy now. When I bought this Humvee, I see all the dent right here, all the messed up, effed up fender. I was so sad, but now make me happy. I'm so happy. All right. Ooh. All right, that lined up. Push up a bit. Okay, it's good. That's good right there. Everything is in the line, in the groove, and in the whatever. Let's see. Hey, do you guys have flashlight? I can't see in there. Man, I wish I have time. I work on my Humvee all day because I don't have time to work on my Humvee all day because I have to go work. I have to work and then come home and then work on the Humvee. I sometimes wake up very early in the morning and then just uh, work a little bit and then go to work and then come home and work and I work on Humvee again. Pretty much I work in 14 hours a day right now. Whew, it's okay. Okay, go find some flashlight. My wife locked me outside. Get inside. I couldn't get inside to get my flashlight, but I'm just gonna use my drill. Like, can be working. It looks perfect fine from inside. You need to. Now it everything is it's supposed to be in there. What I like to do, I work until I cannot see. Right now, I still see a little bit. I keep working. All right, see this gap right here? Good morning, guys. I apologize. Yesterday, my camera batteries went dead. Oh yeah. Another morning, another day. I wake up kind of a little bit early, trying to figure out this fender. Last night when I went to sleep, I remember there's no hole. I have to remove the fender and then drill the hole. Ah, that happened to me. And my dog keep coming to me. What's up, dude? Hey, what's up, dude? Say good morning to the friend. No? Good morning. Let me go see the old fender. See this hole right here? I maybe make a copy and then just drill a hole. But how if they're not lined up? That's the problem. What should I do? I don't know. The hole should be somewhere here. Huh. And then hole somewhere here too. I'm not worried about up here. I just drill a hole, whatever. Don't have to be exact. And how? Yes, hole right there. Oh, come on, dog. And so like that. Hmm. So I need to drill hole, and then where can I get this thing? I'm not even know where. How can I do this? What? What special tool is this? Oh my. Yeah. Oh. Okay. You know what? Let move this fender off from the Humvee again. I make a mistake. Alright, let's just move it and then drill all the hole and then put it back again.
Too much work. Too much work. Too much work.
Fender off again. Okay, fender off again. I'm gonna use my print paper kind of line up with this line right here, so that's how I know where my paper go to the next one, to the new one. Okay, just line up. Yeah, that's good right there. Take this one, as soon as it's lined up. Alright. Go right here. Here. Tape it down. It can be a little bit off, but it's okay. I will work with it. I will work with my new. Yeah, this hole already lined up right here. Okay, and a hole right here, hole right there, hole right there, and a hole right here, and a hole right there, and here, and right here, and right here. Alright, time for me to go to work. I'll be right back. Right, hole been drilled. Ooh, that's fast. That's an easy one. That is easy one. Whoa. That's easy. That's easy one. I end up bring my Humvee inside of my garage. My garage so small and a ton of stuff in here. So I just squeeze in my Humvee, make my Humvee smaller. Yeah, like just squeeze down. And I drill a hole right now. Got a hole in. I got a hole already, but I know two of these holes kind of bigger. So yeah, I need to, because outside it's raining. I want to finish my video. I start drilling. Yep. Keep drilling. Keep drilling. Let's see. Oh yeah. I ain't use one of these. Now we drill a lot of hole. Oh no. Maybe I'm not gonna make 2 videos this week. So busy and a lot of work. I'm so sad. Oh, I'm so tired right now. I just got back from work and trying to finish my Humvee. Can't do it. For one person, so many jobs. Okay, I don't know right now. Sleepy and tired. And plus, I don't have a bigger size of drill, a bigger size of the drill. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna go get a new drill bit, so that will be a long. I cannot finish this video on this week. Have to go get the drill, and then that will be another day. And I'll work tomorrow on Saturday. I don't know. I'm gonna keep up with the review. But thank you guys for your watching. Alright, I'm trying to reinstall the fender again. If this time if I forget anything else. So I've been drill all the hole, bottom hole, top hole, but it's just it need a little bit bigger drill. So I gotta do that when it sits on the top of the Humvee. But for right now, I think it's pretty much good to install the fender. Alright, let's do that. I cannot find my camcord microphone. Yeah. Nobody say anything. Because the door is important. So I have to clamp. What kind of mechanic I am? I don't have anything, just beside hammer, drill, and the cutter. That's what I do. I cut shit. That's it. It really getting late right now. It's almost 11 o'clock at night, so I'm so tired and exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed. I will see you guys in the morning.